In the heart of Tehran lies a treasure trove of sights and sounds. Tajrish Bazaar is your gateway to the city's timeless charm. Let's dive in. The Tajrish Bazaar, the beating heart of one of Tehran's oldest and most vibrant neighborhoods, is where history, culture, and daily life beautifully intertwine. With a history spanning several centuries, this bazaar has long been a vital hub for commerce, pilgrimage, and social interaction. Its proximity to the revered Imamzadeh Saleh shrine has further elevated its importance, transforming it into a gathering place for people from all corners of the country. Over the years, the Tajrish Bazaar has not only served as a center for trade, but also as a melting pot of cultures, flavors, and stories. From its tiny stalls filled with colorful spices and fresh produce to the unforgettable taste of local delicacies, every corner of this market is a treasure trove of authentic and unique experiences. With the enticing aroma of pickles, the melodic calls of vendors, and the bustling energy of its visitors, the Tajrish Bazaar is more than just a location. It's a feeling. It transports visitors into the heart of Tehran's history and culture, offering them an unforgettable glimpse into the essence of urban Iranian life. The Tajrish Bazaar, with its diverse and colorful shops, is a place where the vibrancy of life and cultural authenticity can be felt in every corner. From the moment you step into the market, a burst of colors and aromas transports you to another world. The fruit stalls, brimming with seasonal and fresh produce like ruby red pomegranates and fragrant herbs, captivate the eyes and hearts of every visitor. The pickle shops, with their glass jars filled with colorful and tangy delights, tempt every passerby with their unique flavors. The spice shops, showcasing sacks of turmeric, saffron, cinnamon, and other exquisite spices, invite you on a magical journey through the world of flavors. Handicraft stalls displaying works such as kilims, pottery, and enamel art highlight the artistry and creativity of Iranian culture. Adding to the charm are the jewelry stores, offering a blend of traditional and modern designs. From turquoise bracelets and necklaces to silver rings, each piece reflecting elegance and craftsmanship. Finally, the mouthwatering aroma of street foods like hot ash, a traditional soup, and delicious kebabs creates an unforgettable culinary experience, making a visit to the Tajrish Bazaar truly remarkable. The Tajrish Bazaar features a variety of sections, each offering its own unique charm to visitors. The traditional stalls, with their vintage architecture and distinctive decor, evoke a sense of nostalgia among visitors. On the other hand, the more modern booths showcase a wide range of contemporary goods, from clothing to electronic devices, catering to diverse tastes and needs. This bazaar is located adjacent to Tajrish Square, one of the busiest hubs in Tehran. The square itself is a gathering place for people and serves as the starting point for various routes to other popular attractions, such as Darban and Darakeh. Its proximity to the Imamzadeh Saleh shrine further enhances the cultural and religious significance of the bazaar. Unlike many traditional bazaars in Iran, the Tajrish Bazaar remains lively until late at night. The illuminated stalls, the calls of vendors, and the presence of people during the evening hours create a warm and vibrant atmosphere. For both domestic tourists and international travelers, the Tajrish Bazaar is an ideal destination. It stands as a symbol of the fusion of tradition and modernity, a meeting place of cultures, and a space to savor the everyday life of the people of Tehran. This bazaar is a treasure trove for photographers and art enthusiasts. The vibrant colors, the beautifully arranged goods, and the faces of local people interacting create exceptional frames for capturing unforgettable moments. Every corner of this bazaar tells a story of colors, sounds, and people whose lives are intertwined with this place. Perhaps, as you pass through here, it will write a story for you too. Dear friends, thank you so much for staying with us until the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure not to miss my other videos about the wonders and beauties of our beloved Iran. Your valuable feedback and suggestions help us create even better content for you. So, if you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and follow us. Until the next video, see you soon.
تازه اسفناج تازه کرفس اسفناج بیان